Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man, now I've got dirt!
Gone through St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City looks so pretty.
Having fun safely will always be the nicest way to play. Okay, kids? We...
Topolino!
Luigi, Guido, che bello rivedervi! Bentornati, amici!
What? You never keep your word. But I brought a ratchet for you instead.
Shaboom, love me, darling, I'm the only one that you love.
Oh, right. You got it, buddy. Everybody listen up. My bad.
Hey, McQueen, that must be really embarrassing, but I wouldn't worry about it, because I didn't do it!
Jullie naar huis rijden, kijk dan goed uit. Het spooklicht kan over... What just happened?
I'm trying to help you as your sponsor, yes, but also as your friend. You're racing.
You know, I asked my uncle once how I'd know when it was time to stop. You know what he said?
You think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good on me.
I'll say.
Got to feel the wrath of the Lower Bell County Unified School District.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will... Tag, you're in. What?
Yeah, drive. Don't you big city race cars ever just take a drive?
No. Shall we cruise?
Oh, thank you, dear. I'd love to.
No.
Lizzie! I remember...
Hero. He's my friend, and I want to help him.
But no matter how hard...
Triple speed. Francesco is triple speed.
How about coming over here and talking to me a minute? Son, that was some real race. Hey, DJ, lay down some beats, man.
Hey, yo, DJ! It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us.
Okay, Lenny, it's your turn.
Never properly introduced myself. Finn McMissile, British Intelligence.
Tomica.
Wow. Subtle.
Figured if I'm gonna be your crew chief, I better do it in style.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last race.
Fight over everything. They fight over what Ferrari was the best Ferrari.
There's one day here and the next day gone. Sometimes you bend, sometimes you stand, sometimes.
Going too thin?
All right, we get it. We both know each other. You're both old. So, there you go, informant.
Ladies and gentlemen, lightning!
How does it feel to be Jackson Stewart? It was great.
Order in the court!
Seems like my mind has been...
That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow! What happened? Where are all the other cars?
What is going on?